Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'm Maddie, and in today's how-to, I'll be showing you guys how to make these adorable little exfoliating sugar tarts. Aren't they cute? Well, these guys have a delicious chocolate fragrance. I kind of want to eat one, but I'm not going to. And they're a perfect romantic addition to your line this season. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Start by getting our shea butter and soap base melted down. For that, I'll be heating them on 30-second intervals, one at a time until they're completely liquefied. When both the shea butter and soap base are fully melted, combine the two and add in the sweet almond oil. Now comes the fun part. I want to make these sugar tarts perfect for Valentine's Day, so I'm going to be using our Gourmet Dark Chocolate Fragrance. It's already measured out, so let's just go ahead and pour it all in. Finally, it's time for the sugar. Begin with the sugar in a large bowl and sprinkle some brown mica powder over it. Top it with our liquid ingredients and grab some glove and start mixing. When everything has been thoroughly combined and the sugar is completely saturated with the liquid ingredients, grab a bit and start filling in your molds of choice. I'm using these adorable little hearts that work perfectly with our Valentine's Day theme. Pack each mold cavity tightly and then put them in the freezer to completely solidify. Now we'll be using the extra sugar we set aside earlier. Roll the tarts around in the loose sugar to give them a super sweet look. Now they just need to be tossed in a packaging container of your choice and you're done. These sugar tarts make a great gift for just about anyone. They gently exfoliate while providing light cleansing and heavy moisturization. Each tart costs under $1 to make, meaning an 8-ounce jar can be sold for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $10, depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. We hope you've enjoyed today's how-to, and if you have any comments or suggestions regarding this project or anything fragrance, go ahead and drop it down below. We love reading what you guys have to say. And as always, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel to support what we do here in the lab, and I'll catch you guys in the next one real soon. Remember, I'm Maddie, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!